Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. Alec Benjamin here, Lead Me to Water. We continue here with Alec's new releases. So, Lead Me to Water, it's about 2 chords basically. It goes through the entire song here. We're gonna use a capo on the 4th position here to get the easiest scenario for us. So, let's start with that, and we're gonna go over the chords. So, basically, what we have is 2 variations of 2 chords. So we have E minor, and we're gonna start with the 1st position. So that is E minor with the G note added. So that gives us open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. That's the G notes. That's the 1st version. The 2nd version is the exact same grip. You just play the 2nd fret E string down there. So instead of playing this note, you play this note instead with the 2nd E string down there. And I use my little pinky to just go like this and do this movement, okay? So very easy there, E minor. And the next chord is a variation of the C major 7, is what I would categorize this chord. So that is this 1st version here. 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and again, the 3rd fret E string there, the G note. That's the 1st version of it. I use these fingers here, my little ring finger on the 3rd fret A, my mid on 2nd D, and my little pinky on the 3rd E string. All right, when I next go to the 2nd version here of this C major, exact same note as in the E minor, the 2nd fret E string, now I use my index to get that note, okay? I think this is the easiest scenario and how to handle these grips. So it's very hard to go beneath there with a little pinky to slide under. So that's the reason for me using the index finger there on the 2nd fret E string. Okay. So that is how I'm gonna handle the chords. So we're gonna first go over the notes and then the strumming pattern. So the notes here, we'll start with the E minor, the 1st version. So it goes like this. Okay, so that is open E string, then open G, open B, and then I play 3rd E together with open B. Okay, big pause. Then we have the 2nd version of this E minor. It goes like this. So that is, again, open E string in the bass, open G, open B, then open B and 2nd E together, and then slide back to 3rd E. And that is the 2nd version of E minor. Now over to the C major. It goes like this, 1st version. Okay, same patterns as in the E minor. This gives us 3rd on A, open G, open B, and then open B together with 3rd E. Pause there, and then the next version of the C major goes like this. So that is 3rd on A, open G, open B, then open B and 2nd E, where I'm using my index finger, and then 3rd E, where I use my little pinky. And that is the pattern. From the beginning till the very end, it goes like this. And so on. All right, that's that. Now we're gonna look at the strumming. So we have 2 different strumming patterns, or they're actually very, very similar, just the ending is a little bit different. And if you go to E minor, so the first round, the first part where you play the first version of E minor goes like this. And now, of course, you add a 3rd fret E string. My mistake there, so you keep that. So, okay. So it's down, down, up, clap, down, and then a clap. So, okay. So down, down, up, clap, down, clap. It just follows the same kind of rhythm as how you play the notes. So down, down, clap, down, clap. That's the first part. And now the second part, you go under and grip this 2nd fret E string down there, and you're gonna play almost the same. So down, down, up, clap, down. But instead of doing the final clap there, you slide it back to the 3rd fret E string and do 1 down instead. So it will be like this. Okay, in that way you will get these notes that are important for this song here. So same there, same pattern, down, down, up, clap, down. But instead of doing a final clap there, you slide out to the 3rd fret E string and do 1 down. So. And then you apply the same principle here on the C major. You go now to this grip. Clap, play part 1 there as you play it in the E minor. And then for the second part of C major, play with the 2nd fret E string there, down, down, clap, down. And then you go to the 3rd fret E string and play the final down. So like this. It goes like that. So one round of this will be. And so on. So that is how I handle Alec Benjamin's Lead Me to Water. Beautiful song there. Hope you enjoyed it. And till next time, play tuned.